we will move to the exercise problems. 6.5 exercise. In the first problem is use a suitable identity to get each of the following products. 2y plus 5 into 2y plus 5. Okay, 2 times it is happening. That means a plus b whole square only. 2y plus 5 into 2y plus 5 is 2y plus 5 whole square it will be. So a plus b whole square, which is a square plus 2ab plus b square. So in the place of a we are having 2y. In the place of b we will be having 5. So 2 as it is, a is 2y plus b is 5 plus 5 square. 4y square plus 5 2s are 10, 10 2s are 20y plus 25. Getting? Now next we will move to the next problem. So this is 1.1m minus 0.4, 1.1m plus 0.4. Check the first terms, same. Second terms, same. Only the signs are different. So which form it is? A plus b into a minus b, which is a square minus b square. So in the place of a, 1.1m is there. In the place of b, 0.4 is there. So a plus b into a minus b is a square minus b square. That is 1.1m whole square minus 0.4 whole square. So it is 11 square. 11 11s are 121. So 1.21 m square you are getting. For 4s are 60. So 0.16 we are getting. Next we will move to the next problem. 6x minus 7, 6x plus 7. Again a plus b into a minus b form, which is a square minus b square. In the place of a, 6x is there. In the place of b, 7 is there. So a square means 6x whole square. B square means 7 square. 6x is 36, x square minus 49. So this is the answer for this question. Now we will take one more question. X by 2 plus 3y by 4. Again x by 2 plus 3y by 4. Same terms. A is same, B is same. So it is whole square you will be getting. X by 2 plus 3y by 4 whole square. So which form it is? A plus b whole square form. What is the formula for a plus b whole square form? A square plus 2ab plus b square. So substitute here. X by 2 plus 3y by 4 whole square. A square means x by 2 whole square plus 2 as it is. X value is x by 2. B value is 3y by 4 plus b square means 3y by 4 whole square. 2 get cancelled. So x by 2 into x by 2. X into x, x square. 2 into 2, 4. It is 3x into y is 3xy by 4 will be as it is. Again 3y by 4 into 3y by 4. 3 3s are 9, y square by 16. So this is the answer. So the second line of the exercise, use the identity x plus a into x plus b. Okay, that is x square plus a plus b of x plus ab to find the following products. 4 problems I took here. 4x plus 5 into 4x plus 1. That is the first one. Substitute the values. X will be 4x. In the place of a, 5 is there. In the place of b, 1 is there. According to the formula I substitute. X square means 4x square plus a plus b means 5 plus 1. X is 4x plus ab means 5 into 1. 4x into 4x is, for 4s are 16. X into x is x square. 5 plus 1 6. 6 4s are 24. X. 5 1s are 5. Next we will move to the next problem. So 4x minus 5 into 4x minus 1. Again x plus a into x plus b form only, but a will be minus, b is also minus here. X is 4x. So substitute in the formula. X square means 4x square plus minus 5 minus 1. X is 4x minus 5 into minus 1. For 4s are 16 x square. Minus 5 minus 1 is minus 6. Minus into plus minus 6 4s are 24x. Minus into minus plus 5 1s are 5. So this is the answer you will be getting. Next problem. 2a square plus 9. 2a square plus 5. First terms are same. Second terms are different. Same. X plus a into x plus b formula. So x is 2a square. A is 9. B is 5. Substitute. 2a square whole square plus 9 plus 5 2a square plus 9 into 5. 2a square into 2a square. 2 2s are 4, a to the power 4. So 4a to the power 4 you are getting. 14 we are getting. 9 plus 5 14. 2s are 28 a square. 9 5s are 45. Got it? So the next one is xyz minus 4, xyz minus 2. So x plus xyz we are having, a plus minus 4, b plus minus 2 we are having. Substitute in a formula. X square means xyz whole square plus a is minus 4 minus 2 xyz plus minus 4 into minus 2. So xyz into xyz is what? X into x square, y into y square, z into z square. That is x square, y square, z square. Okay. Both are negative, you should add. Plus into minus minus, 6, right? Minus into minus plus, 4 2s are 8. So this is the answer we will be getting. Next. 2 by 3m plus 3 by 2n whole square. A plus b whole square form it is. So, in the place of a, 2 by 3m is there. In the place of b, 3 by 2n is there. So, substitute in a formula. A square means 2 by 3m whole square plus 2 as it is. AB means 2 by 3m. B means 3 by 2n. Again, b square means 3 by 2n whole square you are getting. So, 3, 3, 2, 2 get cancelled. Here, 2 by 3m into 2 by 3m. 2 2s are 4, 3 3s are 9. 4 by 9, m into m is m square. Again, here 2 is left, mn is left, 2mn you will be getting. Here, 3 by 2 into 3 by 2, n will be there both the side. 3 3s are 9, 2 2s are 4, n into n square. Got it? Like that only. One more problem we will solve. So here 0.4p minus 0.5 q whole square. So minus is there between the two terms, whole square is there, that's my a minus b whole square it is. A square minus 2ab plus b square. So 0.4p minus 0.5q whole square is equal to 0.4p square minus 2 0.4p into 0.5q plus b square is 0.5q whole square. So for 4s are 16. 0.16 you will be getting p square. Here you can observe 5 4s are 20 we are getting. Okay, 0.2. 0.2 into 2 is 0.4p q we are getting. 5 5s are 25, that is 0.25 q square. No like terms, it will be as it is. So the next problem. 2xy plus 5y whole square. Again, a plus b whole square form. A square plus 2ab plus b square. A is 2xy, b is 5y. So, 2xy plus 5y whole square will be a square means 2xy whole square plus 2. Again, a means 2xy, b means 5y plus 5y whole square. 2 2s are 4, x square, y square. 2 2s are 4, 4 5s are 20. X as it is, y into y, y square. 5y whole square is 5 5s are 25, y square. Okay. So the next part, simplify. In simplify, combine operations we will be having. Okay. We should apply individually and we can solve. First one, 2.5p minus 1.5q whole square minus 1.5p minus 2.5q whole square. So, 2 whole squares are there. 2 times we should apply the identity. Okay. A minus b whole square form. A square minus 2ab plus b square. Substitute this in that. A will be 2.5p whole square. B is 1.5q. So, a square means 2.5p whole square minus 2 as it is 2.5p. B is 1.5q plus b square is 1.5q whole square. So, 25 into 25 is 625, which is 6.25 whole p square. Here, multiply. You will be getting 2 into 1.5 is 30. Okay, 3 you will be getting. 3 into 2.5 is 25 3s are 7.75, which is 7.5 p into q, pq. Again 25 square is 6.25 q square. Now take the one more thing. What is the one more thing we are having? The 1.5 p minus 2.5 q whole square we are having. Same a square 1.5 p whole square minus 2 into 1.5 into 2.5 q 2.5 whole q square we will be having. Okay, so 15 15s are 2.25 p square we are getting. This one same only, how we are getting in the up. 2.5 is 6.25 q square. Now both the values we will substitute in this. 2.5 p minus 1.5 q whole square value is this. Substitute that. Minus you write the bracket. 1.5 p minus 2.5 q value is this. Substitute that. Simplify now. First all these three will be as it is. Here signs will be changed. Plus into minus minus 2.25 p square. Minus into minus plus 7.pq. Minus into plus minus 6.25 q square will be there. You can observe these are like terms. It get cancelled. Even this is like term. One is plus, one is minus. 6.25 minus 2.25 will be 4p square. Again here also one is minus, one is plus. Q squared comes there. Same subtraction. 6.25 minus 2.25 4 only. But q square you are getting. So this is the final answer. Now we will move to the one more problem. AB plus BC whole square minus 2AB square C we are having. So AB plus BC, it is in the form A square plus 2AB plus B square. Substitute that. So A place is AB whole square plus 2 as it is. A place AB again. B place BC plus B square means BC whole square. So it is A square B square plus 2 only the number, A only, B into BB square, C is the single number. BC whole square is B square C square. Now take the main problem. In that you substitute this value minus 2 AB square. This and this get cancelled. The left part will be A square B square plus B square C square. Okay. Now the last problem. M square minus N square M whole square plus 2M cube N square. Here this is in the form A minus B whole square, which is A square minus 2AB plus B square. In the place of A, M square is there. In the place of B, N square M is there. Substitute. A square is M square whole square minus 2. A is M square plus B is what? N square M plus N square M whole square. So M to the power 4 you will be getting here. Minus 2 as it is. M square into M is M cube. N square as it is. Here N square M whole square will be N to the power 4 M square. So this one you substitute in the given problem. Okay. You will be getting this equation. This and this get cancelled. You will be writing M to the power 4 plus N to the power 4 M square. So the remaining problems we will discuss in the next.